All right, hello everyone. It was great to see you at conferences this week, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. So we have a couple end of semester things I'm going to go over to make sure we're all on the same page with what needs to get done before the semester ends. So this week, April 19th or 21st, those will be our last cohort meetings. So you'll meet as usual with your Monday or Wednesday group. And then on April 26th, which is the Monday of that last week of classes that just meet Monday, Tuesday, we're not going to meet in cohorts. We aren't going to have an official meeting, but I'll have the Zoom open during our class time on Monday, and you can drop by if you have questions, if you need help, if you want to work on assignments, anything like that. So remember that the draft of your revised research paper, right? So you wrote your research draft, and now you've made some changes. Maybe you're not ready to completely turn it in, but you've made some changes, you've improved it. That draft is going to be due Monday the 26th for peer review. So as we've done, you'll turn that into the Dropbox. Once I have yours in the Dropbox, I'll send you a partner's paper. You'll leave comments in the discussion board, and then you'll revise some more and turn in the final version on May 3rd, 10:20 a.m. Along with that, you'll also turn in a final reflection letter, and there are instructions for that on eCourseWare. They're right here under Finals Week, the last week listed there under Week 15. So you're going to be telling me what changes you made, why you made them, and how you feel about the final product. So remember that this final research paper, 8 to 10 pages, and 8 academic or government sources. And that is due, as we've said, May 3rd, 10:20 a.m., MLA format. The academic sources part is important. Please remember to use academic sources from the databases. It cannot pass without using those. So if you are having trouble finding those or anything like that, you can find them through the library databases, filtering academic journals on the left panel. Remember, those are from scholarly, peer-reviewed journals. The library has this Ask a Librarian menu where you can set up a research consultation. They can help you find sources. And there is the Ask a Librarian discussion forum in our eCourseWare page. Under class recordings in eCourseWare, you can find the February 19th library meeting that shows you that was the day the librarian visited, and he walks you through how to filter in the databases, how to look and come up with search terms, all that kind of stuff. The Writing Center is available to help you revise and strengthen drafts, and I'm glad to read drafts, help you brainstorm search terms for sources, anything like that. So, in addition to all of these things, remember the new media project is due on the 16th, and that is different than the group project. So if those two things, I know they have similar names, if they have blurred in your head and you're only just realizing now that they are different, let me know. So you guys did such a good job this semester. We'll probably have a video next week, but thank you for all your hard work, your reading responses, your drafts, your patience with Zoom classes. I'm excited to see your final papers. And I'll see you in your cohort meetings next week. Bye.